Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, ABE, a bit of everything. And now, today we're going to teach you how to make your own paper plane. So first of all, you would need an A4 piece of paper. I chose mine to be blue because blue is my favorite color. So now what you would want to do is just fold it in half. Make sure it's even. And now open it. So now what you want to do here is fold it within the line. And then do the same for the other side. Now what you want to do here is fold this. And then folding it back up. And now what you want to do here is fold this into the middle. I'm doing it the same for the other side. Now what you want to do here is fold this to the middle, stopping at here. So basically, when it goes like that, you just stop here. Holding the pointy bit to the middle line. And then doing it the same for the other side. So here, pointy line. And now what you want to do here is fold it backwards, like this. And now fold it down. And now do it the same for the other side. making sure it's even. And now for your final step, put this one like this. And the other side, do the same thing. Now your plane is complete. And now you made your own paper plane. Okay guys, you made your own paper airplane. It's called an Arrow. You guys can feel free to like fly it when it's not a windy day. And please don't forget to subscribe. Also, thank you for watching the video. Bye!